Welcome to the Clipart channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to insert shape on Microsoft Excel. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Microsoft Excel. Now from here open any blank document. After that click on Insert tab, and here on the illustrations option you can find shapes. Then just click here and that's it. Now here you can find so many categories of shapes, and you can add or insert any kind of shape as you like or want. Now if you scroll down, then you can find more shape style. Suppose if you want to insert this star shape, you have to just click here. After that put the cursor here and then left click on mouse, and that's it. And using this simple method you can easily create a shape, and you can see shape has been added or inserted successfully. Now if you want to customize your shape, just click here. After that click on shape format tab, and from here you can customize anything as you like. And that is how you can add or insert shape on Microsoft Excel. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.